Hey guys, this is James, and I am excited to let you know that 19th of January 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, Mario Brown is launching ADALeadz 2.0. And this is a tool that's going to boost your business. I got a demo as well as a quick walkthrough of ADALeadz coming up. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications for all future videos like these that are going to transform your business. Now, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that are coming your way when you pick up ADALeadz through my link.
ADALeadz platform so that you can see exactly what it does and how it works in action. Okay, now after you log in, this is the first screen that you see. There is a nice dashboard where you can see all how many prospects you have right here. You can see how many clients you have. There's a link here to the training section, the help section, the FAQ, and there's also a welcome video waiting for you. Okay, now the meat of ADALeadz is all about lead generation, right? So if I click here on prospects, I can now click on prospect finder and I can do a search for leads. Okay, so if I click here, for example, and I put dentist, and then here I put, let's say, San Diego, you're going to see here that our search is actually powered by the Google API and Google engine, so you will get laser accurate results. Okay, I'm going to go here with San Diego, and once I click search, it's going to bring me all the leads that have a website that is not compliant with the ADA guidelines. Okay, so let's do that real quick. I'm going to click here on search. And now, as you can see, it brought me up a bunch of leads right here. And if I want to have more leads, I always can click here on more, okay? But one thing I want you to first of all notice is it shows me all the actual businesses with websites, okay? Because ADA and web accessibility right now applies to any business that has a website. If your client's website is not compliant, they are open to a huge lawsuit, okay? And here I have the leads right now listed, the name, domain, street. I can click here on this button where it shows the I. Now I can get even more information and I can have it in a different overview like categories. I can even see the Google ratings, country, city, and so forth. If I like this one, this dentistry, and I want to add it as an official lead and then potentially send them a website audit and reach out to them by email, I can click here on add lead, for example, all right? And now what the system is going to do, it's going to add this to my leads. I can even pick a category that you can specify. So here, for example, I have dentist. I can save this right now. And this lead was now added to my leads officially, okay? So I can click here on your prospects, and here I can see all of the leads that I have, okay? And you can see the one that we just added. I have a chiropractic right here, restaurants, any niche that you can work with that you want to help with ADA services and web accessibility, okay? Now, if you want to add a new category, you can do it right here. If you want to add a new prospect, you can also add one manually right here. That is totally up to you, or you can just use our app right here, okay? Now, the next thing that is awesome about our software is that it creates a beautiful and stunning website compliance audit, okay? So I can go here and I can click on this button right here, and now I can have it perform an ADA accessibility audit, right? There's some advanced features right here, but I'm going to focus on the main feature right now. ADA accessibility, I can click here on generate, and now the software, as you can see here, audit requested, is going to go, and in just 10 seconds, it's going to create a customized, beautiful, stunning report for us here in real time, okay? So what you're going to see here in just a second, and it happened right now, this little notification bar, I can click on that, and here I can look at my new audit, or here on the left hand side, I can click here on audit, right? Now let's click on this and check this out. In just a second, I created this beautiful website audit for this website right here, okay? Now we have graphics right here. We have professional copy right here that explains to the prospect why they need help with their accessibility for their websites immediately. I mean, now we have stats right here. We even have a screenshot of a news report right here. We have a CNN news report right here, Fox News report, CNBC, and all this copy right here that's going to show your prospect why they need help with accessibility, right? Then in addition to that, everything that is not compliant on their website is listed right here. So here on the left hand side, it shows the element. Then here in simple English, it explains what it's about. And then also here is the technical explanation of what it's about. And it's going to show everything that is non-compliant with this specific website, okay? With this dentistry website in San Diego. And as you can see, they're going to realize immediately that they're going to need some help, right? Then at the end of the report, there's also a strong call to action right here, a reminder of why they have to comply with ADA, and then also there's a logo and a actual contact information as well. If you go with the pro version of ADALeadz, you can actually customize anything you want inside of this audit right here. And the best part is obviously that you can now use this audit and you can email it to the prospect. You can even charge for a free website audit, or you can use it as a value add, or you can, just use it as a foot in the door strategy. And then here you can edit, you can view it, you can delete it. There's all these options right here. And then if I click here on clients, once you signed up once you turned a prospect into a client, now here you can actually manage your clients as well. You can export the file as a CVS. If you want to send them an SEO report or a performance report, which is one of our pro features, you can do that as well. And there's all these different options that you have right here, okay? So this is a lead generation. If I go back here to prospects, a lead generation software that focuses specifically on ADA leads. If I click here on audits, I can see all the reports that are already created for different prospects right here when I sent them out. And another cool thing is you can email directly from our website your actual prospects, right? With just one button, you can send an email out, okay? And depending on if you send it already, you can see that also here in our software. And there's some advanced features. If I click here on settings, you can actually, with the pro version, customize the information that shows up inside of the website audit, for example, and even the footer and other things as well. If you want to send your own emails with your own autoresponder, you can add your own SMTP settings right here, your own API settings. I mean, this is a really, really cool software. And again, with the pro version, for example, we also have team collaboration right here, but these are some things that are beyond the scope of this actual demo video right here. But that's it. It is ADALeadz. This is a demo. I hope it makes sense. We have training right here. We have tutorials waiting for you. We have an FAQ section, the welcome video. We're using a Google-powered search to help you find businesses that need globally, worldwide help with ADA because their websites are not compliant. And if you're an agency, if you're a local marketer, if you're an online marketer, this is a fantastic software right now during the pandemic that you can use to help and provide a unique and actually helpful service, right? Because all your competitors, what are they offering? They're just offering boring SEO and social media services, right? You can show up right now and you can help them with actual something unique and something that is needed right now, which is web accessibility. So go ahead right now, check out the other examples on the sales page. I think you will love what you see and I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Talk soon.
Now, guys, on 19th of January at 10 a.m., an hour before the card goes live, Mario is running a webinar. So be there on that webinar to get a full demo, a more detailed demo from what you had just seen a few minutes ago. So this is the webinar registration page, which you shall land on. When you click on the link below this video, before 10 a.m. on the 19th of January, and when you click on this link, you will land on my bonus page. And when you click on the button there, you will end up here. Now, after 11 a.m., you are going to land on the sales page, which I have here. And let me just go through this to give you a deeper look at what ADALeadz 2.0 is all about. So if you think that the ADA or the Americans for Disabilities Act is only for US websites, think again, because ADA and web accessibility guidelines are now enforced globally. So make sure that your own websites and the websites of your clients are ADA compliant, or you could be sued for thousands of dollars. So ADALeadz 2.0 is 100% automated software which finds laser-targeted leads and creates stunning website compliance audits and helps you create massive agency profits in just 3 simple steps, which you have already seen in the demo earlier. So this is great for agencies, local marketers, and any type of online marketer. And it is also a great way, from what you have seen from the demo, Mario has made it super easy for you to make money online in 2022. So this is a service, as you saw from the demo, that can easily convince website owners which are not or who are not ADA compliant into grabbing your service and making their websites ADA compliant. So the premise of ADALeadz is that instead of selling SEO services or packages, what you could do is offer ADALeadz as a service for websites that are not ADA compliant. And it is so easy, as you saw from the demo as well. And this is absolutely required by your own website or your client's websites. And as you saw, you can run a full ADA website compliance audit, and it is generated very professionally. You can filter active websites that are not ADA compliant, generate and download professional print-on-demand PDF reports, which you can also edit if you go for the upgraded plans. You contact and convert clients with their built-in email technology. You generate additional reports as well as including SEO report, best practices report, and a performance report. And you use and sell this service on your own website and pages using the free commercial license that is included during this launch phase. And there is a one-time investment, and the price is going to knock you off. And there is also a 14-day money-back guarantee. So on the sales page, you can go through the reports from Wall Street Journal and videos which talk about the intricacies of being ADA compliant or the need to be ADA compliant. And as you also may recall, these are the links that the ADA audit that you generate from ADALeadz also link to. So comparing ADALeadz 2.0 versus the competitors, which are specifically ADA comply and user aware, you can go through this long list and see how ADALeadz stacks up against the competitors. So as you can also see from the price here, ADA comply is a much higher one-time fee, whereas ADALeadz 2.0 is much, much lower. So wait for me to reveal the price. And of course, the user way has got a monthly fee, so the costs are going to stack up. So as you scroll down this sales page, you will get some feedback and comments or input from other online marketers, and you will also see the comment or input from Mike Thomas or Mike from Maine, who is my coach and mentor as well. Read his take on the requirement for ADALeadz or how it helps businesses. So you may have heard Mario saying that ADALeadz helps you get leads from websites not just in the US but worldwide who are not compliant or which are not compliant with the ADA requirements. So look at it this way, guys. ADALeadz basically is the foot in the door for you to sell all the other services that your agency already has or that you may want to offer in the future. So just to give you an idea, guys, the ADA website compliance market is valued at approximately $650 billion. So that's the size of the pie that you can grab a piece of. So in case you're wondering who would qualify for an ADA website audit, well, it's a website, it's any business in any of these segments or anyone or any business that has a website. Now, guys, just to reassure you, there is a dedicated 24/7 support team. So if you ever get stuck, even on a weekend, you can reach out to the support team. And ADALeadz is also being updated frequently. So let's go through some of the ADALeadz features, widget features that will help those with disabilities. So you can scale the content, you can adjust the font, it is dyslexia friendly, you can highlight the titles, line height is editable, font sizing, there is a text magnifier, highlight links, letter spacing, letter alignment as well. So all that is within the readable experience. Now, within the visual experience, the tools that are included are dark contrast, light contrast, monochrome, low saturation, high contrast, high saturation, text color, title color, background color. Now, easy orientation tools that will help people with visual impairments or cognitive disabilities or motor impairments to orient better at the site. Would include muting sound, hiding images, big black cursor, reading mask, reading guide, big white cursor. So here are some top marketers who trust ADALeadz. So you can go through some of the reviews here, and you may also recognize some of these guys. So guys, the price is only $47. It's a one-time price, and it's only available during this launch phase. So Mario has just added a new bonus. This is a service that you can offer, bot engage. Bonus 2 is auto webinar profits. Bonus 3 is video ads formula. And here are the details on the 14-day money-back guarantee. So Mario is going to honor your refund request if you do it within 14 days for whatever reason, basically. So here are the OTOs. OTO 1 is ADALeadz Unlimited version, going for $67 one time. OTO 2 is the Pro version, also going for $67 one time. OTO 3 is the white label dashboard and license, going for $197. OTO 4 is the agency marketing kit, going for $197. Now, guys, there is also a bundle deal, so you don't need to go through this entire funnel. And the bundle deal is going for $297. So there you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough of ADALeadz has shown you what this tool and software can do to boost your business. Now, if this video was of any value to you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment in the box below. And if this is going to be helpful to any of your buddies, share it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and select all notifications. And remember again, guys, click the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall get when you pick up ADALeadz 2.0 through my link. And enjoy ADALeadz.